Hey everyone, it's Dan Charles with Lite Forex. It is Wednesday, June the 3rd. I'm going to break down the major Forex pairs starting with Australian USD. So let's get into it. Okay, so the Australian USD has been on a tear. The US dollar is extremely weak. So, big breakouts on Monday, yesterday, and today. Now you can see we do seem to be hitting a bit of resistance at 0.7 thousand. So look for this to come down. Actually, I've been seeing this being overextended for a while now. Let's see if it can hold 69 support. Yesterday when I was looking at it, I was looking at 68.5 support. And you can see it held that price and continued the uptrend. The day before, I was looking at the open and close of the previous day as the support level. So that's how I've been playing this move to the upside. Gave some good signals on last week, the 29th. But yeah, this really looks like it's ready for that pullback. So look for that pullback. Let's take a look and see the Australian futures contract. Okay, yeah, big breakout here, 6,900. You could look at this one as the support level. Yeah, it's been on an incredible move. Nothing goes straight up forever. You see that in previous moves here. It's got to pull back. It's always going to pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. This has been a big move, so look for that pullback. That's how I'm going to be playing this one this evening and tomorrow. Now the Euro USD has really been on a tear as well. Like I said, the US dollar is weak. In fact, when I looked at this on the weekend, I was looking at this as a potential short setup for Monday, and price of course continued going higher, so didn't do that, but here it is going higher. 1.1200 is going to be the most important support price. You can see it hit some resistance the previous day, pulled back, broke through that today. Bit of resistance at 12.5. So we're closing below that price. It's been on a great move. You do got to expect this to have the pullback soon, though. Just the way the 240 minutes lining up, long upper wick, 60 minute, you can see that there. But let's see if 1.12 holds, because this could easily come back, hold support, and continue this uptrend. That's what I've been watching in the evenings of these all these pairs. They look like they want to pull back, and then they hit support, and they just continue going higher. But we are exhausting out, and you do have to expect this to pull back. Let's take a look at the Euro futures. Okay, Euro futures, yeah, so 1.12.5 resistance. Yeah, I'm really anticipating this this coming back. There's that support, 1.12. See if it can hold. British pound, similar type scenario. Now you can see here we got some resistance at these previous levels of resistance. So you can see here we're pulling back close to that price, and that was 1.26. Pulling back. Support is going to be at the open price of today and the close price. So 25.50 in that area. Let's see if that can hold. Let's see if it can bust through 26 and then take out some of these other prices. First, this low here. It's even pulling back on this price, and that was like 25.90. So basically 2600 is the resistance. So yeah, look for this to come back. Of course, same type of thing. If it holds this level, 25.50, 25.49, it could still keep keep moving. But once this price breaks, you got to expect this to come back. See what the pound futures are looking like. Pretty much the same. Yeah, so you can see that resistance at 26. And you can see this big gap. Now, this gap is going to need to be filled. So yeah, look for the pound to come back. New Zealand US dollar, a little bit of the same. The support is going to be the open and the close of yesterday. But we got to look at 64 as well. 64 will be the next level of support. The high today, 64,444. So roughly 64.50. Some resistance. See if it can hold that first level, 64. But if it starts busting through 64, and definitely this this open and close price, 63.70, 71, you just got to expect this to be coming back soon. And the 240 is putting in a lower high here. And the 60, as you can see, it's weakening here. But again, you got to watch these support levels because I've been playing this quite a bit this week, and it comes back, but then hits support and then breaks out again. So watch those important support levels. New Zealand futures, well, not much different here. You can see 6,400. That's going to be the support. Yeah, let's see if that can hold. But big gaps. You know, when you look in the history here, when you have these big breakouts and you get far from the moving average with big gaps, you're always going to pull back to the moving average. Even here. So it's due for that pullback. Let's see if it happens. Let's wait for the setup. You've got to be patient. USD CAD. Now, of course, if those are looking to pull back, you got to look for this one to bounce up. 34, 35, where are we? So yeah, we're roughly around that 35 price, 1.35. Now it is slightly below it right now, but this is looking a little more bearish, continuing being bearish than the other ones look like they're continuing being bullish. But you look at the weekly chart here, you see we're hovering around that 1.35 price. We're just ready for a rebound. See here, we pull, we drop, we rebound slightly here. Not much of a rebound. This is going to be a very important price to break through. It's at 35.73. That was the close on the first, and the high today, 35.73. I want to see that get taken out to really confirm that this is going to have a nice rebound. Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar obviously going the other way on a tear to the upside. Now we're breaking through 74 today. But yeah, this is looking like it needs to have a pullback. How much more is this going to go up? And the USD CAD is going to go down before a reversal. So same type of thing. Let's see if this can hold 73.10, which is the low today. We'll see if that can hold. Okay, lastly, USD Yen. Now, USD Yen, I was saying that it's just going sideways, but I was leaning more bullish. I've been leaning more bullish, and to me it looked like 108 was going to get taken out eventually, and that happened yesterday. Busted through 108, and now we're hitting a bit of a wall at 109. So you can see here the high today, 108.98, pulling back slightly. This one still looks like it could have more upside. I want to see if it can close above 109 tomorrow. Very important support level is going to be 108.66. The open today and the close of yesterday. So 108.66. Let's see if 108.66 can hold. And this can continue this move to the upside. All right, lastly, let's look at the yen futures. Should be setting up to go the other way, of course. Yeah, so breaking down. Yeah, it does look like there could be more downside on the yen, which would put more upside on the USD yen. But of course, with the USD yen, we got to bust through that resistance at 109. Okay, that's the breakdown for Wednesday, the 3rd of June. Please subscribe to the channel and go to the link in the description below this video. Thank you for watching.